Hi all, today we are going to discuss about the introduction to drug safety. It is very important to harmonize the way and gather and if necessary to take action on the important clinical safety information arising during the clinical development. And it must be recognized that medicinal product will be under various stages of the development and or marketing in different countries, and the safety or data from the marketing experience will ordinarily of or be of interest to regulators in countries where the medicinal product is still under investigational only phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 status. And for this reason it is the both practical as and well advised to regard pre-marketing and post-marketing clinical safety reporting concept and practices as interdependent, while recognizing that responsibility for clinical safety within regulatory bodies and companies may reside with the different department depending on the status of the product and investigational versus marketed. And next is there are two issues within the broad subject of clinical safety data management that appropriate for harmonization at this time. First is the development of standard definition and terminology for the key aspects of the safety reporting. Second is the appropriate mechanism for handling the expedited rapid reporting in the investigational, that is pre-approval phase. And basic terms used in the clinical safety. First is adverse event. Adverse event is the any unwanted or undesired effect of medicine that occurs during the treatment of pharmaceutical product. And adverse event is may or may not be causally related to the drug. An adverse event can therefore be unfavorable and unintended sign. An abnormally laboratory finding, for example, symptoms or disease temporarily associated with the use of medicinal product, whether or not considered related to the medical product. And second is adverse drug reaction, the unwanted and undesired effect of medicine that occurs during the normal dose are used in man for prophylaxis, diagnosis, or therapy of disease, or for the modification of physiological functions. And the adverse drug reaction is causally related to the drug. And third is unexpected adverse drug reaction. It is the adverse reaction, the nature or severity of which the drug is not consistent with the applicable product information, that is the investigator brochure for an unapproved investigational medicinal product. And the term severe is often to use to describe the intensity, severity of a specific event as mild, moderate, severe. And this is the not same as a serious, which is based on a patient event outcome action criteria usually associated with the event that pose to treat the specific lives or functioning. Seriousness serves as a guide for defining regulatory obligations. And next is a serious adverse event experience or reaction. It is an unwanted medical occurrence that at any dose results in death, life threatening, requires hospitalization or prolongation of hospitalization, results in persistent or significant disability, and it is a congenital abnormality, birth defect. That is the outcome. And Next is the expectedness of an adverse drug reaction. The purpose of the expected reporting is to make regulators, investigators, and other appropriate people aware of new important information on serious reaction. Therefore, such reporting will generally involve events previously unobserved or undocumented, and guideline is needed to how the define an event is unexpected or expected. And an unexpected adverse reaction is one nature or severity is not consistent with the applicable product. And another is the uh, documents or circumstances will be used to determine whether the adverse event is expected. First is the for a medicinal product not yet approved for marketing in country, but company's investigator brochure will serve as a source document in that country. And second is the report which adds significant information on specificity or severity of a known or already documented serious EDR constituted unexpected event. For example, an adverse event is more specific or more severe than described in the investigator's brochure, that is considered to be unexpected. Thank you. That's all about the introduction to drug safety.